Globe, latitude and longitude. Earth. A. Rotation west to east. B. Axis imaginary on which Earth revolves. A. Latitude horizontal. 1. Equator divide Earth into two half northern and southern hemisphere. B. Longitude vertical. 1. Meridians lines of latitudes. 2. Prime meridian 00 and divides into eastern and western hemisphere. Distance BW to latitude will always remain same. Distance BW to longitude decreases towards the pole. Time. A. East time add. B. West time subtract. A. 3624 HRS. 150 in 1 HR 10 in 4 minute. 1 e.g. 150 west of Greenwich time will be 1 HR. Minus from the Greenwich time. B. India 8 to 1 to 5 30 minutes ahead. 1. Torrid zone sun directly overhead at least once a year. 2. Temperate zone never overhead beyond Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. 3. Frigid zone cause sun never rise much above the horizon gives less heat. Motions of the earth. 1. Axis rotation. 2. Orbit revolution elliptical path. 3. Equinox same length of day and night. 4. Circle of illumination divides day and night. 5. Period of rotation as Earth day. Major domains of the Earth. Lithosphere land. Atmosphere air. Hydrosphere water. Biosphere life form. Lithosphere. 1. Solid portion of Earth. 2. Comprises of rocks of Earth crust and thin layer of soil enriched with nutrient elements for sustained organism. 3. To division. A. Continent. B. Ocean basins. Continents. 1. 7 major continent. 2. According to size. A. Asia. 1. Cover 1/3 of the total land area. 2. Lies in eastern hemi. 3. Tropic of Cancer passes. 4. Ural mountains separated from the Europe. 5. Europe plus Asia is equal to Eurasia. B. Africa. 1. Second largest. 2. Equator. 00. Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. 3. Equator runs almost through the middle of the continent. 4. A large part lies in northern hemisphere. 5. Have Sahara Desert world's largest hot desert. 6. Surrounded by ocean and seas. 7. World's longest river Nile. C. North America. 1. Third largest. 2. Linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. 3. Lies in northern and western hemisphere. 4. Surrounded by 3 oceans. 1. Arctic Ocean north. 2. Pacific Ocean west. 3. Atlantic Ocean east. D. South America. 1. Lies mostly in southern hemisphere. 2. Surrounded by 2 oceans. 1. Atlantic Ocean east. 2. Pacific Ocean west. 3. The Andes world's longest mountain range from north to south. 4. World's longest river the Amazon. E. Antarctica. 1. Completely in southern hemi. 2. South pole almost at the center of the continent. 3. As in South Polar region permanently covered with thick ice sheet. 4. No permanent human settlements. 5. Many countries have research station in Antarctica. 6. Indian station Methri and Dakshin Gangotri. F. Europe. 1. Arctic Circle passes through it. 2. Bound by water bodies from 3 sides. 1. Arctic Ocean, north. 2. Atlantic Ocean, west. 3. Mediterranean Sea, south. G. Australia. 1. Smallest. 2. Lies in southern hemi. 3. Surrounded by ocean and seas. 4. Called island continent. Hydrosphere. 1. Earth blue planet 71% water and 29% land. 2. Hydrosphere consist of water in all form, solid, liquid, gases. 3. 97% water are ocean too salty to use. 4. Rest of the 3% large amount is in form of ice, sheet glaciers, under the ground very small percent is available as fresh water for us to use. 5. Oceans. A. Major part of the hydrosphere. B. All are interconnected and moving. C. Movement of ocean water. 1. Waves. 2. Tides. 3. Ocean currents. D. 5 major oceans. 1. The Pacific Ocean. 1. Largest ocean. 2. Spread 1/3 of the earth. 3. Mariana Trench, deepest part on the earth. 4. Almost circular in shape. 5. Asia, Australia, North and South America surround it. 2. The Atlantic Ocean. 1. Second largest. 2. Shaped as flanked by South and North America on the western side, and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. 3. Have irregular and highly indented coastline provide ideal location for natural harbor and ports. 4. For commerce point of view busiest ocean. 3. The Indian Ocean. 1. Only ocean named after a country. 2. Shape is almost triangular. 3. North Asia, West Africa, East Australia. 4. The Southern Ocean. 1. Encircle the continent of Antarctica and extend northward to 600 S latitude. 5. The Arctic Ocean. 1. Located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. 2. Cornered with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. 3. Bound by northern coast of North America and Eurasia. Atmosphere. 1. Earth surrounded by layer of gas called atmosphere. 2. Extends up to height of about 1,600 kilometers. 3. Divided into 5 layers based on composition, temp, and other properties. A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. E. Exosphere. 4. Composition 78% N, 21% O2, 0.9% argon, 0.03% CO2 and other. 5. 0 to breath of life, while N helps in the growth of living organism. 6. CO2 absorbs heat radiated by the earth, keeping the planet warm plus essential for growth of plants. Biosphere. 1. Litho, hydro, atmos combine to form bio. 2. This makes Earth a unique planet. 3. Organisms vary size from microbes and bacteria to huge animals. 4. Organisms broadly divided into A. Plant kingdom. B. Animal kingdom. Major landform of Earth. Mountains. 1. Any natural elevation of the Earth's surface. 2. May have summit and a broad base. 3. Glaciers, where there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. 4. May be arranged in a line known as range. A. The Himalayas mountain ranges of Asia. B. The Alps mountain ranges of Europe. C. The Andes mountain ranges of South America. D. The Rocky mountain ranges North America. 5. 3 types of mountains. A. Fold mountains. 1. Himalayan and Alps are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. 2. Aravalli Range is one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world. 3. Range has considerably worn due to the process of erosion. 4. Appalachians in North America and Ural Mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old fold mountains. B. Block mountains. 1. Formed when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. 2. Uplifted blocks horsts and lowered blocks graben, e.g. the Rhine Valley and the Vosges Mountain in Europe. C. The volcanic mountains. 1. Formed due to volcanic activity. 2. Are a storehouse of water. 3. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. 4. Reservoirs are made to harness the water to use for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. 5. River valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. 6. Have rich variety of flora and fauna. 7. Forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter, and other product like gum, resins, etc. 1. Metric ton, Kilimanjaro, Africa. 2. Metric ton, Fujiyama, Japan. 3. Metric ton, Etna in Italy. Plateaus. 1. Elevated flat land, flat-topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. 2. May have one or more sides with steep slopes. 3. Height varies from few hundred to several thousands meters. 4. Can be young or old, like mountains. A. Deccan Plateau, India. One of the oldest. B. East African Plateau Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. C. Western Plateau of Australia. D. Tibet Plateau highest 4,000 to 6,000 meters above sea level. 5. Uses. A. Rich in minerals. B. Many mining areas are located here. 1. African Plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. 2. India reserves of iron, coal and manganese Chotnagpur Plateau. C. May have waterfalls, as the river falls from a great height. 1. Hunru Falls Chotnagpur Plateau River Suvarnarekha. 2. Jag Falls Karnataka. D. Lava Plateau are rich in black soil, that are fertile, and good for cultivation. E. Scenic spots, an attraction for tourists. Plains. 1. Large stretches of flat land generally not more than 200 meters above sea level. 2. Some plains are extremely level. Others may be slightly rolling and undulating. 3. Most are formed by rivers, and their tributaries. Rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them. They carry forward the eroded material, then they deposit their consisting stones, sand and silt along their courses, and in their valleys thus plains are formed. 4. Very fertile, and construction of transport network is easy. 5. Very thickly populated regions of the world. 6. Largest plains made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. A. Asia plains formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Yangtze China. 7. Uses. A. Most useful area for human habitation. B. More populations as flat land is available for building houses. C. Fertile soil. Great agriculture cultivation. 1. India Indo-Gangetic Plains are the mostly densely populated regions of the country. Our country, India. India. 1. Seventh largest country located in South Asia. 2. Second population after China. 3. Border Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Burma, Myanmar. 4. Capital guess. 5. Population 21.75 million. 2011 census. 6. India is also one of the largest democracies in the world. 7. Located North Equatorial region, between north latitude of 84 and 376, and east longitude 687 and 970-35. 8. Area 3. 287, to 63 sq km. 9. Stretch from north to south 3214 km. 10. Stretch from west to east 1993 km. 11. IST. Indian Standard Time. +5, 3082.5 longitude in Mirzapur, Amravati Chauraha, Uttar Pradesh. 12. Gujarat to Arunachal Time Diff. 970 to 680 is equal to 290. 10 is equal to 4 minute or 150 is equal to 1 HR. 290 is equal to 29 asterisk 4 is equal to 116. Approx. 120 means 2 hours. 13. Physical division. The northern mountains. 1. High plus Alaya means the abode of snow. 2. Divided into 3 main parallel ranges. 1. The Great Himalaya. A. Northernmost Great Himalaya Himadri. B. World's highest peak are located in this ranges. 1. Metric ton, Everest, Nepal. 2. Kanchenjunga, spell B, Sikkim. 3. Nanda Devi, Himachal. 2. Middle Himalaya. A. Middle Himalaya Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. B. Many popular hill stations are situated here. 3. The Shivalik. A. The southernmost range. B. The northern Indian plains. 1. Lie south of Himalayas. 2. Level and flat. 3. Formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. 4. Rivers provide fertile land for cultivation and building house. 5. Reason for high population. 6. Ganga and Brahmaputra form the world's largest delta, Sundarban Delta, into the Bay of Bengal. C. The Great India Desert. 1. Lies in western India. 2. Is dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. 3. Very little vegetation. D. The coastal plains. 1. To the west of Western Ghats and east of Eastern Ghats lie the coastal plains. 2. Western coastal plains are very narrow. 3. Eastern coastal plains are much broader. 4. Number of east-flowing rivers. 1. Mahandi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal east-flowing rivers. 2. These rivers formed fertile deltas at their mouth. The peninsular plateau. 1. To the south of the northern plains lies peninsular plateau. 2. Triangular in shape relief is highly uneven. 3. Have numerous hill ranges and valleys. 1. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest ranges of the world, border it on the northwest side. 2. Vindhyas and Satpuras are the important ranges. 4. Rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges, west-flowing rivers that drains at the Arabian Sea. 5. Western Ghats Sahyadris border the plateau in the west. 6. Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. 7. Plateau is enriched with minerals like coal and iron ore. The islands. 1. Two groups of islands part of India. 1. Lakshadweep Islands. A. Located in Arabian Sea. B. Coral Islands located off the coast of Kerala. 2. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A. Lie to the southeast of the Bay of Bengal. B. Which were affected by the tsunami in 2004. Climate, vegetation and wildlife. Climate and weather. 1. Weather day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. 2. Includes changes in rainfall, sunshine, etc. 3. Major seasons recognized in India. A. Cold weather season, winter, December to February. 1. During this time, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. 2. Resulting low temp on northern India. B. Hot weather season, summer, March to May. 1. Rays more less directly falls in this region. 2. Thus resulting high temp. 3. Hot and dry winds blow during the day. C. Southwest monsoon season, rainy, June to September. 1. Marked by onset and advance of monsoon. 2. Winds blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land carry moist air with them. When these airs strike the mountain barrier, rainfall occur. D. Season of retreating monsoon, autumn, October and November. 1. Winds move back to Bay of Bengal from mainland. 2. Retreating monsoon. 3. Southern part TN and Andhra receive rainfall in this season. India monsoon. 1. Climate of India monsoon type. 2. Monsoon Arabic word, Mausam means season. 3. India tropical region rain is brought by monsoon winds. 4. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. 5. Good monsoon means adequate rain and beautiful crops. 6. The climate of the place is affected by its location. A. Altitude. B. Distance from the sea. C. Relief. Natural vegetation. 1. Variety of plant life in surroundings. 2. Also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plant, etc. 3. Also many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, some which stand few leaves such as palm. 4. Grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own without interference help from human being are called natural vegetation. 5. Natural vegetation of India. A. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical rain forest. 1. Occur in area which receive heavy rainfall. 2. So dense that sunlight never reach the ground. 3. Many species of trees are found, shed leaves, at different times of the year. 4. Thus appear green called evergreen forest. 1. Trees found in these forest mahogany, ebony, and rosewood. E.g. Times narrow strip of the western slope of the Western Ghats are home of these forests. Times Andaman Islands part of north-eastern states. B. Tropical deciduous forest, monsoon forest. 1. Large part of our country have this type of forest. 2. Also called monsoon forest. 3. Less dense. 4. Shed their leaves at particular time of the year. 1. Trees sal, teak, peepal, neem and shisham. 2. Found in MP, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and parts of Maharashtra. C. Thorny bushes. 1 are found in dry areas of the country. 2 leaves are in form of spine to reduce the loss of water. 1 cactus, khai, babul, kikar found in Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Gujarat. D. Mountain vegetation. 1 a wide range of species are found due to the variation of height. 2 height increase stem decreases. 3. At height 1500 to 2500 meters, most trees are conical in shape. 4. Also called as coniferous trees. 1. Imchar, pine and deodar. E. Mangrove forest. 1 can survive in saline water. 1 are found mainly in Sundarban in WB and Andaman Islands. A. Sundari is well-known species of trees in mangrove forests, after which Sundarban have been names. Wildlife. 1. Forest home of variety of wildlife. 2. Thousands of species of animal reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, worm, etc. dwells in the forest. 3. Tiger national animals. A. Gir forest in Gujarat home of Asiatic lions. 4. Peacock national bird. 5. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceroses, Kaziranga, spell B, roam in the forest of Assam. 6. Elephants found in Kerala and Karnataka. 7. Camels Great India Desert. 8. Wild asses are found in the run of Kutch. 9. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. Himalayan region. 10. Monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, cheetal, etc. also found in India. 11. Common birds parrots, pigeons, myna, geese, bulbul and ducks.